If you crack your knuckles a lot, listen up, don't worry, your joints are fine. Let's get to the facts about knuckle cracking. The popping sound you hear, it's just gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints. It's normal and doesn't harm your joints. Scientists have studied this a lot. The result? No direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. That's right, no solid link. But there's a small catch. Doing it too much might make your handshake weaker or cause slight swelling, but that's just your body reacting. So next time you want to crack your knuckles, remember, you're not damaging your joints. It's all good on the arthritis front. Keep cracking your knuckles and busting myths.